how to create a UK TikTok account without VPN. After the last video I uploaded where I taught people on the best time to go live, I received few comments on the video where people were asking me how do they create their own UK TikTok account. This made me to realize that a lot of people still do not know how to create a UK TikTok account, and a lot of people still pay others to create a UK TikTok account for them. And that is why I am taking my time to create this video so that I can teach you the easiest method you can create your own UK TikTok account from wherever you are without VPN and without paying anybody. All right, why do we always talk about UK TikTok? A lot of people have been wondering, why do we always emphasize that you create a UK TikTok account? Well, UK TikTok account is one of the best TikTok accounts you can ever have. Why do we say so? It is because this account gives you access to what we call Creator Rewards Program. What is Creator Rewards Program? Creator Rewards Program is a content monetization platform provided by TikTok to allow creators earn from their original contents. Yes, let me break it down. If you are a content creator, if you are using a UK TikTok account, it means you can get paid as long as people watch your videos, engage, comment, you keep earning, even without going live. Whereby other TikTok accounts most times do not have a content monetization program, which is Creator Rewards Program. Most of them just based on going live alone. But UK TikTok gives you access to go live and also gives you access to earn from your creativity. But how do you get qualified for the content monetization program, which TikTok calls Creator Reward Program? Number one, you must have 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers. I know you're going to be saying, how do I get there? It looks scary when we call 10,000. I have crossed that milestone with ease. I've gotten more than 40,000 followers. It was very easy because how did I achieve it? By posting consistently. Trust me, TikTok have a very easy way of making your content go viral. Even contents that you think are not even interesting, TikTok has a way of pushing it. So that is not a problem at all. And the next requirement is also having not less than 100,000 views in a month. I know you're going to be scared too, but trust me, it is very easy. In fact, when you get started, this will just look like a piece of cake. And then the next reason why you need a UK TikTok is that it is one of the best TikTok that gives you access to viewers from different countries, especially when you are a live streamer. Once you have 1,000 followers and you want to go live, once you go live, people from different countries, Germany, Italy, Australia, US, every other country will come to watch your stream, and they are more willing to gift if you admit. Of course, I'm talking from personal experience. Using a UK TikTok to live stream, I got access to those living in UK and they were gifting me a lot compared to my Nigerian TikTok where I barely get gifts. Yes. Now, if you think you are ready to have your own account, let us proceed. But before we go right there, make sure you like this video please, and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on that notification bell so that you will be informed. You will know whenever I drop another video. Who knows, it may be helpful. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when creating your own UK TikTok account is to create an email address that you have not used on TikTok before. If you don't have any email address that you have never used on TikTok before, I will recommend that you create a new email address. That is my recommendation. Before coming to shoot this video, I created an email address already. Look at it. This is a brand new email address I created. I equally just downloaded TikTok on my iPhone for the purpose of this video. As you can see, I do not have TikTok on this iPhone. I have it more on my Samsung. So I just wanted to show you all step by step. So now we have agree and continue. this is it. If you just downloaded TikTok, but if you're not downloading TikTok, you already have a TikTok account in your phone, what you are going to see is either you should sign out from your other account first, sign out, then click sign up. I hope you understand. If you already have a TikTok account in this your phone, what you do is to first of all sign out from your existing TikTok account, log out, sign out, and then you click on create new account. But for me, who do not have any account on this device before, I'm seeing agree and continue, so I'm going to click on my agree and continue. Then the next thing is, as you can see, the TikTok is open, so I'm going to click on profile. I'm going to click on this profile here, this profile. Since I just downloaded TikTok for the first time on this phone, I'm going to click profile. They're saying TikTok wants to track my activities across my device. I say ask app not to track. I don't want app to track. So now the next thing you're going to see, they will suggest, because I already have an existing TikTok account before this, what is showing here, so they are going to show me sign up or to log into my existing account. All right, I'm just going to click sign up. When I click sign up, as you can see, as long as I've clicked sign up, you are going to see sign up for TikTok using your email, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google. But if you're not using an Apple device, you will see continue with email, use email, Google or Facebook. I don't think Apple will show. So what I am going to do right now is I'm going to click use email. But wait, don't click it. Before you click, here is the trick that will get you the UK TikTok. Come closer, look at this. If you look at this bottom right part of this place, when you read it down, look at this right up down here. When you're signing up down, you're going to see, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. Look, this right up here, that's where the trick is. So when you look at this located in Nigeria, click on that Nigeria, click on this Nigeria. Like where I'm telling you, this is how to create a UK TikTok account without VPN. This place, just click on this blue highlighted Nigeria you're seeing down. As I look at it, as I click on the Nigeria, it's loading. As you can see, it just finished loading. You can see it's bringing up different countries now. Look, so I'm going to select United Kingdom. Okay, I'm going to select United Kingdom. Look, I just selected United Kingdom. You're not going to see, by continue with an account located in United Kingdom, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. Have you seen it? This is big thing you need to do. And then once you have changed it now from that Nigeria that was there before to United Kingdom, you now click on this use email. So that is it. As you can see, I have clicked on use email. They are going to bring out phone number and then they're going to bring out email. I'll just select email. You know why I'm selecting email? Because I don't have United Kingdom phone number, so I'm going to just select email, and that is what I did. Are you seeing where I highlighted? Are you seeing the selection of email? And then the next thing, I will type the email address. I'll type in the email address I just created, when at gmail.com at gmail.com. Okay, look, then I'll click on continue. Now they have sent a verification code to the email. This is where you need to be very fast. You must have your email logged into your phone so that once you get your verification code, you enter it. Look, I have gotten the email address, I've gotten the verification code, so I'm just going to head to my email. Look, you must enter it fast. Okay, you must enter all these details fast. Then the next thing comes your birthday. Your birthday, my birthday has always been the same, September 11. I was born in the 90s, right? I was born in the 90s. So September 11, 19. I'm sure you don't want to know my birthday. All right, so I just selected the birthday and I click on continue. Now continue, you're gonna see create password. So let me just create my password. Okay, I just created it. Then they say add your nickname. Let's just write it Spicy Queen. I already have a TikTok account. This is just our TikTok account has been created. Okay, let's check the account we just created and see if it's truly a UK TikTok. I'm going to show you how to confirm it is a UK TikTok we just created. Now look, as you can see, you're seeing Spicy Queen. To confirm if it's a UK TikTok, look, you click on this icon, these 3 dot lines here. Right, you see balance. Let's check it. Click on balance and see what is waiting. It is waiting GBP. You can see it is showing estimated balance in GBP. That is Great British pounds. But if it wasn't a UK TikTok, it would be showing just dollars. Yes, so another way to confirm that this is a UK TikTok is by going this way. Click on your profile at this bottom part. Click on profile. When you click on your profile, I click on that same 3 lines. Click on settings and privacy. You see, when you click on settings and privacy, you click account. When you click account, you will see account information. When you click account information, look, did you see it is showing your email, and then it is showing, how do we see it? Well, as you can see, it is showing United Kingdom. So this account region right now is showing United Kingdom. And welcome, my darling, welcome. You have a brand new UK TikTok, and trust me, you don't have any problem at all. Don't say, oh, because I didn't use VPN. You can use it beginning from now. A lot of people lie to you. Oh, don't log in from Nigeria, wait for 2 hours, wait for 1 day, wait for 24 hours. They are just lying to you because they want to make you feel like they did something special. Especially those people who took money to register the account for you. They'll tell you to log in after 24 hours, after one day. That is just a lie. So this account can be used right away. You can start posting from today. You can log in any device. Okay, this is how to create your UK TikTok account without VPN, without stress. I hope this video was explicit enough. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I made it a bit easier to understand. But in case of any confusion, my darling, feel free to drop a comment, ask me anything, and I will be glad to assist. I'll be glad to respond to you. All right, because I really want to see you progress. Now the next thing you need to do, put your profile picture. Your profile picture has to be beautiful, sweet, and then after your profile picture, start posting any content you want, post on your stories, and start growing your account. If you're interested in knowing how to get 1,000 followers fast so that you can go live, if you are ready for me to teach you how to push your account to 1K followers so you can go live and start building real audiences fast, people that comes to your life will start following you, let me know that in the comments. And then again, that will be the end of today's video. I am Victoria Vic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in a jiffy. All of my love, my darlings.